For this Chinese house special fried rice, I have some shrimp, sliced chicken, and beef. I'm preparing all three the same, seasoning all with a pinch of salt. I have 2 egg whites that I'm whisking and dividing among all 3 meats along with some cornstarch, giving them all a good stir and setting to the side. You will be able to find this recipe in the list of ingredients in the Show More section below. If you click on the word Show More, it will open and reveal this recipe, links where you can purchase some of the items that I use, and much, much more. If you have a chance, please check it out. I made my jasmine rice yesterday and refrigerated overnight. I have all my veggies prepped and ready. First, I'm cooking all the meat separately. I have my heat on medium-high, adding a little oil and the meat, letting the meat cook for about 10 to 15 seconds before stirring. Cooking for 2 to 3 minutes or until the meat is done. Then I'm removing from the pan and setting to the side. Next, I'm cooking the eggs. I have my wok on medium heat and I added some oil. I have the 2 egg yolks left over and I added another egg, giving them a good whisk and cooking and chopping into little pieces. Once done, I'm removing the eggs from the pan. And we are ready to put this Chinese house special fried rice together. In my wok on medium-high heat, I added more oil, minced garlic, and the whites of garden onions. Cooking and stirring for about 15 seconds, and then adding in some diced carrots and bell peppers. You can use the vegetables that you have or like. Cooking and stirring for a couple minutes. I'm also adding in a couple diced red chilies for some heat, and this is optional. I love peas in fried rice. Stirring in to combine, and then I'm adding in the rice, the shrimp, chicken, beef, the eggs, oyster sauce, and some mushroom-flavored dark soy sauce. This is going to give this fried rice a rich flavor. Cooking and stirring until everything is well coated with the sauce. Finally, I'm adding in some chopped green onions, one final stir, and it's ready to eat. This is quite a hearty Chinese fried rice with all the protein, lots of flavors and textures. If you have a minute, please remember to check out my other Chinese fried rice video recipes and my Asian recipe playlist for lots more ideas and recipes. I hope you give this Chinese house special fried rice dinner a try and enjoy. I made some jasmine rice yesterday along with a stir fry, and now I have some leftovers. This morning I'm making a breakfast stir-fried rice with bacon and eggs. I'm starting by scrambling some eggs. I have my skillet on medium heat, and I'm adding in some butter and 3 large whisked eggs. I'm cooking and chopping the eggs into pieces until done and then removing from the pan. Next, in the same pan, I'm cooking some bacon until crispy, removing and draining on a paper towel and then crumbling into pieces. You can also use sausage for this recipe. Remember to reserve about 2 to 3 tablespoons of the bacon fat. Just a reminder that you'll be able to find this recipe, the list of ingredients, and much more in the Show More section below. I've also included links where you can purchase online some of the ingredients and the equipment that I use in this video recipe. If you have a chance, please check it out. On medium heat, I'm adding in the whites of about 4 garden onions, along with some finely diced bell peppers, a pinch of salt, and black pepper. Cooking and stirring for a minute, and then I'm adding in some minced garlic. Cooking and stirring for another minute, and then I'm adding in the rice. For this recipe, I used about 3 loosely packed cups of cooked rice. Cooking and stirring to combine for about 1 to 2 minutes. You can see this goes quickly, so you want to have everything prepped and ready before you cook. A lot of the prepping you could do the night before. You can even cook the eggs and bacon ahead of time and just assemble everything in the morning. And who says this has to be just for in the morning? It could be eaten any time of the day or night. For the seasoning, I'm adding in a couple tablespoons of light soy sauce and a tablespoon of oyster sauce, giving that a good stir. And we're almost done. In goes the eggs and bacon and another good toss. I'm turning off my heat, adding in some chopped green onions, another good toss, and breakfast is ready. It smells so good. As you can see, this will feed a hungry family, and this recipe is great for using those leftovers. All the flavors of breakfast wrapped up into a delicious fried rice stir fry. I hope you give this bacon and egg breakfast fried rice a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love.